Hey everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures. And if you've known me for any length of time, you know that green and green and green is my favorite color. And that's why you saw me do Panda Totem from Oraloa. And I had a blast with it. Oh my gosh. I believe it was a 60 by 70 or 70 by 60, something like that. And it just spoke to me. I also love panda bears and had a fantastic time doing this. It was square. It was phenomenal in quality and style. Quality wise, I give it a 5 out of 5. Canvas was great, glue was great, drills were great. You get 3 ABs with it. As you can see when you see the post review, I blitzed it up a lot more. Um, I gave it design wise, I ended up giving it a 4.5 out of 5 because I think charting wise, the color blending could be just a little bit smoother. There's a couple areas where the green went into the blue. It's very checkerboard. You can see it's a little bit clunky, so to speak. However, the image itself is fantastic and beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Love it. Love how it turned out. Loved how the panda turned out. My favorite part is the panda and the green leaves. I have like 4 more from this company, from that artist on my shelf. Can't wait to grab it. Can't wait to start and have this collection. Absolutely phenomenal. Will buy more. Go check them out. They keep coming out with new ones. So excited to see this company continue to shine and can't wait to support them even more. Their customer service is great. They have a great attitude, and I just really can't wait to support them even further as a company. So I'm going to flip the camera over, let you see what the post review is, and I hope you enjoy. And give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Can't wait to show you more post reviews as we diamond paint together. Take care. Okay, we have flipped the screen. I'm going to try to keep the camera as still as possible. I have it off the tripod so that I can real-time zoom with you. I absolutely loved doing this Oraloa. It's absolutely gorgeous. If you do watch my Friday lives, I showed you this in real time as I was doing it. It also was one of my amazing Tipsy Tuesday tips that I gave you guys. So this is my post review. I think the charting on this was phenomenal. They did give you 3 ABs to work with. So if you do decide to do it as it comes, you will be very happy with it. But I did bling out a little extra, and I'm going to show you how that turned out. Okay. So some of the ABs they give you, it's 2 greens. So some of the ABs are here in the leaves, but what I did is I mixed some of the fairy dust that I bought from DP with Sparklers, and I mixed it with, let's see, which color did I mix it with? I think it was the 703, because you got the ABs with the 702 and the 704. So I mixed 703 fairy dust with the leaves, yeah, right in here. And it just gave it a little extra bling to the leaves. And then you had the 2 ABs as well. I also mixed some ABs here with the 3865. So you got some extra bling in the fur of her outfit. Then I did ABs here in the extra detail of her outfit. I did some extra ABs here as well. And then I believe this is all as it came. I did some fairy dust here for the purple. And then this is what I changed the most of. I did Subtle 310 for the pandas black. And I did for the let me think here. Look what I think it was the gray. 823, I think it was. For this part, I did fairy dust. And then for the gray, I did fairy dust. And then this was AB. For her lipstick, I think it came with with AB. And then her hair, I did gray. I switched that out myself and I did fairy dust. I also did AB for her flower in her hair. And then the feathers I switched out and did AB. And then for the dream catcher, I did AB as well myself and had a little bit of an artistic flair. So that's what I did, but you can do it as is, and it turns out beautifully charted. I think this was gorgeous. I love green. It just makes me feel good. I have several more of these young ladies from this artist, but this was called Totem Panda. It is a 60 by 70. It worked up very easily. It's got a lot of color, what do you call it? Color blocking, a lot of multi-placing if you love multi-placing. It's got a couple areas of, what do you call it? Confetti, but not very much. So yeah, definitely check them out. Absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous, sharp, bright colors. Definitely check them out. Worth it in the end. Beautiful. Had enough drills, absolutely. The drills were amazing, gorgeous. This was a square painting. Everything lined up. All the squares were beautiful, clicked in place, absolutely gorgeous. I would give it a 4.5 out of 5. I do wish it had a couple more blending colors. I think they could have blended a little better. The blending area is a bit choppy, but it did have 53 colors. So it did have quite a few colors in this. So I'm not quite sure. I'm not a charter, but like over here, you can see it's a little bit of a checkerboard. I think the blending could have been slightly better in that area. But I don't know how to fix it because I'm not a charter. So it could just be the way the design was as well. But the experience of doing it, definitely a 5 out of 5. The product itself is phenomenal. Love it, love it. Great job. Thank you so much. Definitely recommend. Can't wait to pull out the next diamond painting of this brand. So until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.